If you're looking for a hotel in Venice that you can actually drive to that's walking distance from all the major sites, including the Rialto Bridge and St. Mark's Square, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we stayed at Hotel Casanova Fourrooms in Venice. This is located on the lagoon area, walking distance from all the major sites, plus it has parking as it's just outside the historic centre. This is one of only a few hotels you can drive to and park at in Venice. The room we booked cost 231 Australian dollars and it was a double room with a private bathroom. When we arrived at the hotel, we parked our car and went straight into reception to check in. Parking was discounted, which was €35 a night, and I know that sounds expensive, but parking close to the lagoon area in Venice is very pricey, so definitely bear that in mind. First impressions of the room was great. I actually thought it was better than the pictures. The bathroom looked clean and well maintained, and there were a few extra toiletries as well, plus a hairdryer. The main bedroom was small, but we did expect that. There was a large bed in the center, a little desk area on the side, a small bar fridge, and some extra storage as well. And the room looked out over into the car park. Just outside the room, they had a communal tea and coffee station. So unfortunately, you weren't able to make tea in your room in the morning, but it was just outside the bedroom door. And one of the things we did really love about this hotel was its proximity to everything. We walked everywhere, and the furthest we walked was 30 minutes to St. Mark's Square, so the location was really what we paid for, plus having parking facilities if you're road tripping through Italy. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at Casanova Fourrooms. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.